Hello guys, welcome to another video edition of Colosseum. I am Yash Tamija and today we will be discussing NCHMCT JEE preparation strategies. NCHMCT JEE is a popular hotel management entrance exam that is conducting for admission to various undergraduate programs offered by the colleges affiliated with the National Council for Hotel Management and Catering Technology. The exam is conducted in online mode and comprises 200 questions. Candidates appearing for the exam should prepare well to score well in the exam. Let's take the section-wide tips for the NCHMCT JEE exam. The English language section covers questions for unseen passages, word formation, error correction, tenses, and many other English topics. Candidates should read newspapers and magazines on a regular basis. Besides this, they should work on communication and grammatical skills. Candidates are advised to practice a maximum number of RC passages. Besides this, they are advised to solve a variety of reading comprehension passages. While answering the RC questions, candidates should first read the information provided in the RC carefully and only then they should proceed to answer the questions. They should learn at least 5 to 6 new words daily. Some of the preparation strategies for the English language section are provided on the screen. The numerical ability section covers questions from HCF and LCM, time and distance, percentage, number systems, averages, time and work, and many other topics. While preparing for the numerical ability and analytical aptitude section of NCHMCT JEE, candidates should focus on learning shortcut and formulas. Shortcut will have the candidates solve the problem quickly. They should try to solve at least 20-30 questions from each type of problems. Candidates should practice questions from numerical ability every day. Some of the preparation strategies for NCHMCT JEE, numerical ability and analytical aptitude section can be checked from the screen. The reasoning and logical deduction section tests the reasoning skills of the candidates. The section covers questions from direction distances, linear arrangements, blood relationships, alphabet tests, and coding and decoding. Candidates should try to visualize the problem before solving them. While solving the arrangement questions, candidates can draw different arrangements and choose the perfect arrangement satisfying the data provided in the question. Candidates are advised to recheck their answer before submitting them. They can check the preparation strategies for the NCHMCT JEE reasoning and logical deduction section on the screen. Candidates need to read newspapers to score well in the general knowledge and current affairs section. They should go through the current affairs of past at least 2 to 3 years. Some of the important topics from where the GK questions are asked in the NCHMCT JEE are economics, general politics, history, abbreviations, Indian constitution, science, current affairs and culture. Questions from important dates, events and awards will also be asked in the general knowledge and current affairs section of the NCHMCT JEE. The service sector covers questions from hospitality sector. This section checks the holistic development and moral attitudes in the subject of hospitality. It also tests the candidates' interpersonal skills. Candidates should solve maximum number of previous year papers to understand the type of questions that were asked in this section. Apart from the strategies provided above, candidates are advised to prepare a preparation plan. The preparation plan should be prepared in such a way that enough time is allocated to each section of the NCHMCT JEE. They can divide the number of days for completing the syllabus according to the number of days left for NCHMCT JEE preparation. Candidates are advised to solve maximum number of previous year papers and mock test papers. This will help them know what type of questions were asked in the examination. Candidates are advised to check the syllabus before starting preparing for the exam. They can note the important topics and start preparing them one by one. Candidates are advised to solve at least 4 to 5 sample papers in a week. Let's take the preparation books for the NCHMCT JEE. There are many books available in the market for NCHMCT JEE preparation. Some of them are listed here. Candidates are advised to go through these books and choose as per their liking. They can also choose the books recommended by the toppers. We hope that the preparation strategies provided by us will help you score well in the NCHMCT JEE examination. If you want to know more preparation strategies for NCHMCT JEE, You can ask your questions on the Colas Deco Q&A zone. You can check the direct link for the Q&A zone given here.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.